You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. In English, it can be pronounced two slightly different ways, so let's break down the pronunciation. Pronounced generally as elect. Now, this first sound is generally as an E, alright? Elect. Now, depending on the local accent, can sound a bit more like elect, like a schwa sound, like an sound, elect, alright? So, some say it more as elect, with an E sound, elect, or elect, which is similar. Both are correct pronunciations. How to pronounce elect in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.